بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Brother Sultan Mastura Husain Manabilang desires
Worshipful Master, His Royal Highness Sultan Mastura C. Manabilang desires officially.
all brothers from Mason, Zosimo, Montemayor, Masonic Lodge number 212. As a local chief executive, I am proud to say that this town is truly governed with the guiding lights and tenets of Freemasonry. On behalf of these people, my family, brethren of Omar Manabilang, Masonic Lodge number 471, I welcome you all to our humble municipality of Amay, Manabilang. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First is the dedication. After your dedication to regularly act and convene as a lodge, you were instituted. After you were instituted, you were what? Consecrated. Then lastly, you were constituted to make it legal.
Brethren of Omar Manabilang, Masonic Lodge number 471. You now behold before you Brother Jamal James E. Manabilang, who's been elected Worshipful Master of this lodge for the ensuing Masonic year.
This moment is not only a personal milestone, but a deeply meaningful tribute to our family, patriarch, the illustrious General Omar Manabilang, the first Master Mason in our family, whose legacy of enlightenment, leadership, and integrity continues to inspire us.
So again, I am very, very impressed when you say you fear the Grandmaster. Hindi naman po si Kuya Ariel yung Grandmaster. Our Worshipful Master, of course, please stand to be recognized. Palakpakan natin ang ating Worshipful Master.